Geometry, mathematics. Question 1. We have a situation with, we can use some part of operation. We all know pen, that. Parentheses, or some people call them brackets, exponents, powers or AGP, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. These two are same rank. These two are the same rank. Second, third. Okay? Third, fourth. We have a situation here, and this is a subtraction. Whichever comes first, you go from the left. Left to right. Whichever comes first, you do the left one, then you work out that before the right. Likewise for this. You start at the left one, and then you work out the right one after. Now let's go to the question. Now, I realize some of you, when you guys work it out, some of you, let's separate this. Some of you multiply 12 times 7 and 35 times 9 and get caught a big number. The problem with that is that when you want to, 12 times 7 is what? 7 2 is what? 14. 12 times 7 what? 84? Right, you have to go 84 over 315. Think that was somebody else? Yeah. Why? When you do that, when you go to print up these to find the LCM, they'll have abundance. Because now you're going to have to use 315 as the LCM for here, here, and here. That is too big. And then you're using calculators, so that's why some of you have no problem with it. But you end up, the end of it's a big number which we don't want to work with. So what do we do? You simply should recognize that you can reduce these fractions based on cancelling. You can cancel based on the highest common factor. The highest common factor for 7 and 35 will be 7. 77 goes once. 35, 5 times. 3 to 9 goes 3 times into 12, 4. Now we have a much more manageable number to work with. So 5 over 6 plus 2 thirds, the minus sign comes back down. If you include the minus sign, it wouldn't be a problem. Because a negative and a positive will still give you a negative. Okay? So you could leave it out or include it. Then you end up with what? 4 times 1 is 5 3s, 15. Now we have something that is much more manageable. 15, 6, and 3. 6 and 3. Now I can use one long line and put the LCM below. But I don't intentionally don't use the one long line. Because another person you need to realize that when you have separate fractions like these, the denominators could be the same, but you could still add the numerators. It's obvious we have one LCM. What about what's the LCM? Huh? 13. Always look at the biggest number first. The biggest number will let you know what the LCM could be earlier on. 3 can go to 15, but 6 can go to 15. So let's double this. 15 plus 15, or 2 times 15 is 30. And from there now, we recognize that 3 can go to 30. And 6 can go to 30. How much times? 6 and 10 goes how much times? 5. 1 to the bottom, into the top. 3 to 10 goes how much times? Good. So it's so easy is now because you cancel, kind of cancel it gets easy. Or you don't want to be trading at 15. No, again, because I calculate, you can go see it as a problem, but you can't just depend on calculating this one. That's very good. Hence, you say, come back down to what? Canceling. When you reduce it, you lose it. Right. Right. So when you reduce it, you basically, you could have simply do canceling ahead of time to get it out. You're correct. Right. Times 2. What's the numerator, guys? 25, 28. 25 plus 20. Good, so 45 minus 8. Now I use the one denominator, which is the same. You put that there, you can have it all 3, or put it at 1 and have 1 along with it. I need to do this early because a lot of people don't know that they use this method, and it's good to use because you remember that you don't add denominators, you only add the numerator when the denominators are alike. So 45 minus 8 is what? 37. Good, so you're going to be 37 over 30, which is basically 1 and 7 over 30. You don't have to change from either or. Alright, you know we have this. Keep in mind that 60 cents a short on working. So all begin that this could be plugged into a very good calculator and it churns out an answer. Don't be foolish to do that. Go step by step. The first thing we're going to do is find out what is cost of 37. Cost of 37 is what? 0.7986. Remember when you hold it off. Okay? You just check the number behind for that. Now the reason I went to 4 decimal places is to give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. So you have a choice. You have a choice to go up to 3 decimal places or go to 4. I prefer to go to 4. That's my preference. Another teacher will just go to 3 and settle with that. That's no problem. But if you round down to 2 or 1, your answer will be way off. So when you round off too early, it changes your answer. It's not going to be good. Okay, so this is round down to 3 decimal bases, count to 3 decimal bases. You can go to 4, or you go to 3, and then you push through. Okay? I write it to 4. 0.7986 squared gives us what? Anybody? Anybody? Us down. Then you know you have one thing with that. One thing with that will be 0.3622. Then you find the square root of that. The square root of that is 0.60. Correct to three decimal places. My mistake, I had a 2. 3 decimal places. Uno, dos, tres. Un, deux, trois. 1, 2, 3. Alright, thank you. Right in standard form, 0.0527 in standard form. Okay, the standard form means you have to make or change the number such that it is less than 10. If I carry decimal point to here, then that number is still less than 1. The number has to be less than 10 rather. What me say? The number has to be less than 10 or 1 and greater. So the number has to fall between below 10 or 1 or greater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also, it could be 9 point this, 9.9, 9.97. It could be 1 in each 10. It could be 1, 1.01, 1.0001, 1.396. Once it falls between, what do you like this? A should be greater than or equal to 1, but A has to be less than 10. That A. This number here. And then based on that, this comes in conjunction with this. A times 10 to that. This A must be greater than, sorry, A has to be less than 10, but greater than 1 or equal to 1. That A here. Then this N is a simply a power. Alright? Good. So based on that, for this to be greater to be less than 10, this is what? 5.27 now? 5.27. As you can see, A is less than 10 and A is greater than or equal to 1. That number is less than 10 or equal to 1. Then you make it look like this. Times 10. But this times 10, because we're moving in the right direction, we are moving into a decimal, the power becomes negative. Okay? The power becomes negative. Okay? How much hours are we here to work? 35. 35 times 7, 20 gives you how much? How's his weekly wage? $292. Excellent. They say you work for what, 4 weeks? What if it's 4 weeks then? It's 4 weeks. Okay. Will be now 4 times 392. Which gives you what? 1,000. 1,200? Oh, 1,568. Good. Next question else on after one. The second week you work what? 8 hours overtime? Alright, so you work 8 hours overtime. But his hourly rate will have to change. Right, because hourly rate is what, 11.20, but it's like multiplied by what? A time and a half. Let's use 1.5. A time and a half, you said it as 1.5. His new hourly rate increased now. 1.5 times that was what? $60 what? Good. Why does this happen? Why do your hourly rate increase when you work overtime? Good. And you're working after your agreed hours. So at 4 o'clock hit and you gotta play basketball and gotta put football and pick up the little child. How did they tell you got tested? But if you got this tested, because some job you just can't walk off. If they got the nurse can't walk off. She got to say no, she already get somebody come to replace her. Same thing with some restaurants too. Somebody deposit in shop and they say you can't go to deposit somebody's shop. Right? So what happens is that you get to charge them more to keep you after hours or on the weekends. And tomorrow's gonna be something like that. If they can't go and something like that, where you got honey, where they gonna pay you. But so in the new hourly rate, this now we call for the new hourly rate for what? What is this now called? The overtime one. There we go to the overtime. You know, pay and gold. So what I got there, all the things now, this is now. Find the total amount of money how much is paid for that week. How much hours you work overtime? Good. So 8 times 16, 80. So what you got for me quickly? What do you get? 134 and 40 cents. They ask you what's the total for the week now. The week now will be here. For the week now, what is it? Oh, how much is paid for that week? So what do you do? Very good. You add the 392 plus the overtime. And then his weekly wage down with down. $550 about it there. $90. Each number in the expression below to one significant figure. Am I going to do of the whole of the significant figure? Alright. So one of each number in the expression. So, what is the significant? How do you find significant figure by doing? What number is the most significant figure in there? What number? The one is the most significant.
One.
The figure you will. The one. What place that is the one? 100. This is what? So it is the leftmost number, which is that 0. The leftmost. So the leftmost number here is what? 1, right? And the leftmost number here is 5. So in this case, if you round out these two, one significant figure is what I said? Yeah. The one significant figure. Then for this number to don't change its place value, you put back the 1, you look at the number behind. If it is 5 or more, add 1. If it is less than 5, then it remains. Everything is just to 1, 0. You see that? Good. Let's look at this one now. 1 is the leftmost number. So you look at the 9. Then add 1 here. Which means if the number will come on. 20. Very good. When you add on the 0. 5 up. To keep the place value of 10. You can start from 2 here. Because 20 will come 2. Then you go to the 20 at the 10, but not to 2. Likewise with this now, this is in the 1 place. You look behind, this is less than 5. So this remains what? 5. Okay, and it doesn't matter, it's a 4.0, okay? Because 5.0 is still what? 5. No, 20 plus 5.
25.
Good. The square root of 100.
10.
What times what give you 100?
10 times 10.
Can that be reduced? Good.
Yes.
2 over 5.
Two. Well, excellent. Exact value. Okay, you ready? Sure. Right, let's go. Find the exact value. What's the first thing we're going to do, guys? Work on your bracket, spend gas. We had that earlier in the class. So you can simply work like this if you choose to. Or you can even change this earlier because if you're finding, you can't before you fix up us. I'm not sure of that. So you can convert this down. 8 trees, quickly. 8 times 3
24.
plus 3.
27.
27 over
8.
8. 8 goes back. You can't divide this number. So let's go now. We have a problem here. We can add fraction of different denominations, but at the LCM was 12 and 3.
12.
12. Okay? 1 times 12 gives 12.
1.
1. So we must make up by 1. 1 times 3 gives 12.
4.
Good. So what goes on top?
5.
Plus
4.
1. 4. The 27 over 8 divided by what?
9 over 12.
Good. You can reduce it, but I can already see that if I leave it like that, it cancel reduce later. Remember this and remember when we do not divide fractions. We multiply by its reciprocal. That means this one got what?
Times.
Right, multiply by its what's the reciprocal? Turn it over, you're upturning. 12 over 9. Now the first fraction, always remains
The same.
same. Divide now becomes times, and the fraction flips up. That's something to say. Upturn. When the upturn, this is called reciprocal. Okay? Just so that you know, let's become some common factors that are going to 8 and 12. What was the 8 and 12? But that's the one factor for 8 and 12.
4.
4. Point to 8.
2.
Point to 12.
3.
Common factor for 9 and 27.
18.
3, no, 3. 18, no. 18 are going to 9. 9. So 97 over
1.
927.
3.
3 times. So 3 times 3,
9.
2 times 1,
2.
if they get answer what? If they get answer the next number, if they answer the big number in the simplest part.
Yeah.
Good, so this is a big number. So 29 goes over times. 4 remainder, huh? 1 over 2. The 2 hours go back, okay?
You know me do that.
Got it. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the number of available seats in a hall was reduced from 125 to 93. Calculate the percentage decrease in the number of available seats. So 125 was reduced. 125 was reduced to 93. Right, that's what I said? 125 was reduced to 93.
Calculate the percentage decrease.
Huh? Sorry?
Calculate the percentage decrease.
Well, calculate the percentage decrease.
If not for availability.
Good. So what do we do? For how much CG was increased by?
32.
Good. So we realize 3 from. What do we do? I do something of 3 from points is what?
2.
2. And 9 from 12 is 3. Only here one person. Now the trick is you have to put this 32 over the original amount of seeds. And then to 5%, you simply divide by 100. 32 divided by 125. If I know what the answer for that is? Oh, you don't know? Okay, let's go. 25 to 100. 25 to 100.
4.
4. 25 to 125.
1.
Huh?
1, what is it?
25 into 125. 5 times. 4 times 32. 4 twos are 1. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 1. 12. So far you do that. When you work it out, what percentage you got for the last time?
35.6.
25.6%. 6 units to go up to 1 decimal place per percent. Okay? So that's 3. Don't say 20, don't round up to the 26%. 25.6 is cost. Mika invests a certain amount of money in a value that pays compound interest at a rate of 2.5% per annum. At the end of 2 years, the value of an investment is $7,554.50. Calculate the amount Mika invests. Am I going to copy the formula for an investment? A compound interest, huh?
Principal bracket 1 plus 3 over 100 contract.
So A equals principal times 1 plus, very good, R over 100, close bracket, A. That N represents the exponent, but the question it is higher. This R means rate, which is a percent. And this P stands for what? You tell me. Spring 6R. And the A is the amount. Okay? So, in the question now, this is missing. They gave the amount as the end of the investment, but the amount was countable. This is a 7. Well, what did I want? Good. The 1 is constant. What was the percent? 2.5. So you don't put 2.5 and a percent symbol. That symbol here, do you know, that symbol is actually a 100. But that, the 1 is 0, the 0. So the 100 is already in this formula. So that is 2.5%. What's the time? They give a time. At the end of, yeah, I'm just going to tell you.
2 years.
At the end of 2 years. Let's change this now into just a decimal. It's a decimal here, but make it into just 1 decimal. That's what I'm going to do. $2.5 by 100. What do you do? You would just 1.2 space into the left. What the answer will be?
0.025.
0.25. Good. Square. P. What? 1 plus that?
1.
1.00. 1 right there.
0.025.
1.025.
Yes.
My square that will be now. Huh? 1.025 square is what? Tell me. 1.0506. Let's stop there. 19 to 4, right? No, it's up here. Okay, they don't remember. Okay, good. Now, how do you find P? S transpose. How do you find P?
You make it the subject. You make it the subject.
Make it the subject. So what you're doing is,
Yung 𝐂𝐂𝐄𝐂.
I have become one. What operation? Huh? Divide. So divide this by 1.050625. Tell me what do you get? 7,000, sorry. 200 is 20.
Principle.
That's all the answer? Yeah, the value of the investment, you calculate your amount, make an invest. Well, the principle is what money you invest. So that is it.